It's a beautiful morning. I really like it when the snow piles up on the tree like this. Don't so much like it when the snow piles up in the street. That's really no fun at all. But I do like the look of the tree. Isn't that pretty? You know, it really is very pretty here when the snow, pristine and clear, white, blankets everything that you see, including the Jeep. Holy mackerel. All right, enough of that. Let's get the snowblower going. Choke on, pull, choke. Ready? Choke on, prime, pull, pull. Oh, how about we turn the key on first? Okay, now pull. I'm such an idiot sometimes. Yep, that's what it's like today. And that was my adventure today.